Hi again, everybody, for part number 4 on how to use the Microblading app for the first time for consent forms. So now we're going to go here back again to a Microblading app. We're already logged in because we already created an account with them free. Now we are going to add our business information, right? So you want to go here on the little cog here which is universal sign for settings, and you want to set up your salon or artist name. Okay, so let's pretend that we are ABC Salon Tattoo Shop, and our address is okay, I don't want Portuguese. It's 123. Go back to English, please. 123 Browse Street, Browse City. Let's put South Dakota, and you put your. So here you can use the email. Now this is important. If you choose to change your email here, it's fine. Okay, just remember this is the email you use to log into the app. Okay, if you want to put a different email here, like your business email, maybe you register in the app with your personal email, but you want your clients to see your business email, you can change it here, it's fine. But just remember, when you go log back into the app from another device, from your phone or from another device, from another tablet or another phone, just remember which email you used originally. And if you can't remember, just reach out to us on customer service and we'll find it for you. Put the phone number to your business. 1, 2, 3, okay, and here, before doing anything, what I suggest you guys do is click on save. All right, so it's already saved. This is your business information here. And these are whenever you click on something you want to go back, there's also always the option here to go back. So let's go back to settings, because I got finger happy here, clicked on something. So here you can see the template forms that we have. You can create your forms from scratch, you can use our templates, or you can modify our templates. Okay, so here you can see we already have preloaded in the app eyeliner, ombre aftercare form, model consent form, COVID liability release form, which is very important, client medical history. If you want to add forms from another language, you can do it. So here there's in some forms in Spanish, some forms in Portuguese, but again, let's go back there and we check this later. Okay, so you have your business here filled out. Go back to forms. This is blank still, right? You don't see anything. Why you don't see anything? Because when your client comes in, and it's your first time, let's pretend you have your first client coming in, you want to add a certain amount of forms for your client to fill out, okay? And this we will see on video number 4, how you pick the forms for your client to fill out. See you soon.